Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Siacoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that first Siacoin broke out a very long-term down channel on the 7 days time frame chart, and after that, the price line during the correction move was retesting a quite long-term support of $0.0085. And this was my last video, by the way. And while it was retesting the previous resistance as a support of $0.0085, at the same time, there was a very big bullish signal flashed on the 7 days time frame chart. That is a William Wicks fix find a market bottom indicator. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that this was a signal, and you can see that the price line is still moving above this support of $0.0085. In fact, this is quite a strong support and resistance zone, a complete zone that starts from $0.00722 and goes to $0.0085. And previously, this level has been breaking as a support zone here, support zone here. You can see that the price line entered inside this zone. We had a nice pump and support zone here. And after breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance zone. You can see we got rejection here and we got another rejection here. And now after the breakout, the price line is again retesting this support zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Siacoin that I shared a few days ago on 11th of January 2023 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 75% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for Siacoin that I shared on 11th of January 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal guardlet pattern that Siacoin formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range. And this was the sell target zone. And this was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice and massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far it has rallied more than 75%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Siacoin, and this is the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that previously since after the month of March 2021, it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. And from the month of November 2022, it started forming this symmetrical triangle. And after getting squeezed, finally, the price then broke out the resistance of this triangle. And then we had a very nice pump. If I show you the target for this breakout from the symmetrical triangle, then the target for this breakout was here exactly at this long-term support resistance of 1.4 cents. And you can see that from that level, the price then got rejected once again. And this 1.4 cents level has been previously breaking as a resistance here, support here, and resistance here. Therefore, again, it's breaking as a strong resistance. In the previous week, we had this very nice buying signal flashed. That is the William Wicks fixed top find market bottom indicators. And previously, this indicator has been breaking as a very nice signal here. Like when the price had a big drop here, drop down at the support of the channel, we had this buying signal. We had a nice rally. Again, the price dropped down at this support. Again, this indicator started blinking. After that, we had a slight more drop. And then we had a lot of signal by this indicator. And finally, after this big drop, not the slight drop, quite big drop that was, by the way, we had a nice rally. This time, again, this indicator worked very well. And when it was dropped at this support of the triangle, it started blinking. We had a nice pump. And finally, after one rejection, the price line also broke out this resistance of the channel as well. And this time, when the price line is testing this support zone, this indicator started blinking once again. Now the new weekly candlestick is open, and still this indicator is not giving any signal for the current week. But I'm expecting that after 1 or 2 days, again, it can give the signal. And after retesting this very long-term support zone, the price and can continue this rally to the upside. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this down channel, that target is, by the way, here at the top of the channel. That is between 6.5 cents to 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because there I'm sharing different trading signal for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.